Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start new topic, that is sources of telecommunication. Before going to start this topic, we have some previous knowledge about telecommunication. The methods used for instant communication of information to far off places are called telecommunication. Now we discuss about mobile telephone. Nowadays, the use of mobile telephone is very common. What is the main purpose of mobile phone? The cell phone's main purpose is to keep people connected regardless of the distance that separates them. How does mobile phone work? As you chat away, your phone converts your voice into an electrical signal, which is then transmitted as radio waves and converted back into sound by your friend's phone. So, a mobile phone sends and receives messages through radio waves. It carries a radio transmitter and a receiver inside it. What is the function of transmitter? The transmitter converts sound into radio waves, which are received by a nearby station linked with the telephone network. It transmits the radio signals onward. Now we discuss about cell system. The area of each station of the network is called a cell. How is a call connected? And a mobile phone is a portable telephone which receives or make calls through cell site. Modern mobile phone networks use cells because radio frequencies are a limited shared resource. When a call reaches from one cell to another, it is connected to the required station by an automatic system. Mobile phone is also called a cellular telephone by virtue of cell system. What is the function of receiver? The receiver of mobile phone again changes the radio signals into sound. And now we discuss about Telex machine. Telex is an international system used specially in the past for sending written messages. Telex machine is a system of communication in which messages are sent over long distances by using a telephone system and are printed by using a special machine. So, this consists of a teleprinter, and an exchange machine. Message is sent from one place to another by this machine. Message is typed on a Telex machine. So, what is the function of exchange machine? Exchange machine changes it into electric signals that reach the other telex machine through telephone line. Function of teleprinter. The teleprinter prints the message on paper. Since the whole message has to be typed on this machine, therefore too much time is wasted. This machine has been now replaced by fax machine. And the second source is fax machine. What is fax machine and how does it work? A fax machine is designed to both send and receive documents. So it has a sending part and a receiving part. The sending part is built like a computer scanner. This machine is used to send and receive documents and pictures from one place to another. The word fax is the short name of facsimile. That means to reproduce a document or picture in exactly the same form. How does fax machine work? Fax machine first makes the image of the document, changes it into electric signal, and then transmit it through telephone line. The fax machine that receives the signal on the other side reproduces it in the form of image print on the paper. Next we discuss about communication. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person or group to another. Every communication involves one sender, a message and a recipient. So, the electronic transfer of information from one place to another is known as communication. What is communication system? It acts as a conversion device at the transmitting end. It converts high frequency current into electromagnetic waves. At the receiving end, it transforms electromagnetic waves into electric signals that is fed into the input of the receiver. So, the electromagnetic devices used for this and method to transfer information is known as communication system. And then data to be transferred may consist of sound, text, video and graphics, etc. The devices involved in the transfer of information could be telephone, telegraph, radio, television, or computer. The distance could be as short as the next room and could be as long as the information may be sent to the other end of the solar system. When we talk with reference to computer, communication means the contact of one computer with the other, due to which they exchange information with each other. The communication between the computers take place only when data reaches from one computer to the other in the form of electronic signals. Okay students, I hope you understand about sources of telecommunication. Take care students.